These are the Sennheiser HD206 headphones, economical headphones with Sennheiser quality. And I'm going to show you everything about these headphones, the characteristics, quality and demonstrations, to know everything about these headphones. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. These are the Sennheiser HD206 headphones. The box has the label that guarantees that they are original, and the box should include wired headphones and a 6.5mm adapter. But let's see about the specifications. It has a frequency between 21 Hz and 18,000 Hz, nominal independence of 24 ohms, sound pressure level of 108 decibels, and a total harmonic distortion less than 0.7%. It has stereo sound, over-the-ear design for ambient noise reduction, robust yet lightweight, and high-quality padding for the ears with artificial leather. So let's open the box to see everything that is included. The box is lightweight, so there is not much inside. We open the lid. The headphones come in a sponge bag, and there is nothing else inside the box. I can take the box out of here. I don't need it anymore. And I'm going to take the headphones out of the bag. These are the headphones, but there is also an audio adapter. The bag protects against scratches and dust, and there is nothing left in the bag. So what's included in the box are these wired headphones and an adapter for a 3.5mm audio connection. Regarding the characteristics of the technology, they are stereo headphones with a frequency between 21 and 18,000 Hz, sound pressure level of 108 decibels, sound pressure level of 108 decibels, and a total harmonic distortion of less than 0.7%. The physical characteristics, they are over-ear type. They are placed around the ear to reduce external noise and hear better. They are padded on the ears, but also on top in the head, with sponges with artificial leather. The sponges will rest on the face around the ear to be more comfortable. The headphones have a wire, which should be 3 meters long, but later I will measure the actual size to confirm that. It uses a 3.5mm audio connection to connect to the equipment. And it weighs 215 grams, so very lightweight, one of the lightest I ever tested. This was another video about the Sennheiser HD206 headphones, but there will be more videos to learn everything about these headphones and decide if you should buy this product. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week and I will bring more headphones.